I've been asked to change this siphon, so I'm going to do that. They've already turned the water off. How thoughtful. Undo that nut and that one and drain the water out into a handy folding bucket. Take the float off and just take the siphon out.
Oh, it's a Dudley. You can repair them from the top.
Grow up, mate. Dry the cistern if you want. I'm going to replace the flush cone as well. Pull that out like that.
Oh, you should wear gloves.
Just wipe your hands, mate. Put the new flush cone in and all the nuts and washers and stuff. And just put the flush pipe in. Put silicone on there.
Oh, you shouldn't use silicone.
I don't care. Do it all up and tighten it so it doesn't leak. Put the float back on and connect the handle. Turn the water back on and just watch it leak because the cistern's actually cracked. So that's good, isn't it? So undo all the stuff that you've just done. I'll just put a new cistern in then, shall I? Undo those bits. Try to undo the rusty old screws, but then just yank it off the wall. Drill some holes wherever you need them and attach the cistern. Put silicone on the inlet valve and just do it up like that, really, and tighten it. More silicone. Put the siphon in and tighten it up like that, and then fit the new handle and attach it as well, actually. Do that screw up and then put the blanking plate in. I've got to adjust the inlet now, haven't I? So turn the water off. I'm going to use the old tap connector because I want to. Mark up where you need to cut it, then cut it. Burn the paint off and clean the pipe. Put some flux on there and mark up where you need to cut that one. And then just attach it all, really.
Oh, that valve's a bit excessive.
I don't care because it's all I had. Turn the water back on. That works. Take the old overflow out and put some foam in there if you want. And then attach the sticker that tells people how to flush a toilet.
Look at the angle of that handle.
Shut up. All done. Whatever.